This is the Rlaarlo Engineering Workshop. Today's video we will show you how to replace the standard servo mount of the Omni-Terminator. You will require 1.5, 2.0 and 2.5 sized hex drivers, a flat hex spanner, red screw adhesive and needle nose pliers. First, remove the RC body shell. Using the 1.5 hex driver, remove the screws. Remove the screws from the underside of the chassis plate. Then, using a 2.5 hex driver, remove the round head screws from the lid of the receiver box. Next, remove the cables from each channel of the receiver. Remove the steering tie rod from the steering crank. Pull out all cables from the receiver box. Remove the steering tie rod and servo horn. Remove the receiver from the receiver box. Now take the metal standard servo metal upgrade part. Remove this screw from the chassis brace. Turn the screw around and reinstall from the opposite side. Place the metal servo mount into its correct fixing location. And use the included screws to install it into place. Install the ball head screw into the servo horn of your standard servo. Adjust the tie rod required length using your pliers. Straighten your wheels on the RC and recenter your steering servo. After confirming the tie rod length, press it firmly onto the ball head screws to reinstall. Place the included washer onto the screws and add a little screw adhesive and install the force screw into place on the servo. Check the movement of your steering and ensure there's no problems. Install receiver on top of the chassis braces with cable ties and reinsert all cables into the corresponding channels. Additional cable length can be secured to the chassis braces with another cable tie. Lastly, turn on the power and test the steering. Thank you for your watching.